All right, we're going to be showing the variable syntax with Faker.js. Uh, so this is a Faker.js implementation or a data generation. This already comes pretty standard with Snowfakery. But what we have here is a variable syntax. I want to generate a fake date, but reuse that same date in multiple fields. Some object structures that you might have a date that should be the same across different fields or different objects. So we have this variable reuse here, and we have it use one more time here. Yeah, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna run the faker, and it's gonna prompt for which recipe file to run. And here are the data sets that we'll collect. So we're expecting a date generated for the case object and manufacturing event. So there's our case object, there's our random date, and that should be the same as our manufacturing event object. Go to the right. Yeah. All right. Yeah. So there we go. And that is a line break at the end there. It'll be all right when it gets inserted, but I should probably remove that. Anyway, that's it. Thank you.